You stopping by and giving us your view on the space as well as on all these three stocks. Thanks so much for stopping by. Well, Nimesh has joined me. Nimesh, what are you picking up with regard to market setup as well as the Adani Group stocks? You're tracking a couple of factors. Run us through that as well.
That's right. So first to talk on the Adani Group stocks, I just highlighted some of the fundamental reasons one needs to focus on. While of course we all know that there is a panic selling, stocks were down 20%, 25% circuit as well at one point in time. Most of the Adani Group stocks have recovered 8 to 10%, 15% from the lows. But a few important things to watch out for individual companies now. To start with, first on Ambuja Cement, the current price is around 385, exactly the price at which the promoters bought from Wholesale and made an open offer at. The open offer was at 385. But do remember, the promoters are willing to infuse money into Ambuja at a price of 418 rupees per share. Still, it's below that price as well. So, in fact, intraday the stock hit a low of 350 as well. So, that was kind of a panic from where it has bounced back. So, as far as Ambuja is concerned, that's something to watch out for. We heard the analysts as well talking about fundamentally now it's become attractive. Even Nirmal Mang put out a note in the afternoon, and they have a buy recommendation on Ambuja Cement. Now coming to ACC, again for ACC, if you look at the open offer price of Adani's, that was at 2300, and the stock is way below 1900. So even from that point of view, there was a bit of that's something to track as far as ACC is concerned. Coming to the third stock, which is Adani Port. That stock has sharply recovered, almost 13% from intraday lows, and now it's back above 600 levels. But if you look at the Kotak note today morning, they upgraded the stock to buy from AD. They have a target price of 860 on the stock. But from a fundamental point of view, if you look at the valuations now, it is found below 11 times FY24 EV/EBITDA. So that's the reason why you might have seen some bit of reaction or some bit of pullback in Adani Ports in today's trade. And the last stock is Adani Enterprise. That's going to be very, very important to track for the next couple of hours. The FPO starts today, but the prices is now fallen below the FPO price band. So the price band is between 3112 to 3276. And remember, the anchor investors have come in at 3276, which is at the upper end of the price band, and they have committed 6,000 crores. So half of it, which is 50%, 3,000 crores will come in. What happens to the FPO is a big question mark. That is something we need to track very closely for the next couple of hours. But that again, for Adani Enterprise, that's an important trigger to watch. And the FPO price band is between 3112 to 3276. So that's broadly on the Adani Group stocks. There were some important triggers to watch, and I guess market have taken a note of it. And from there, you've seen an intraday recovery of between 8 to 11%, 13% in most of the Adani Group stocks.
Okay, got that. Thanks very much for all the details there. So the entire Adani Group, along with the